In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI to auto-reply to new Google and Facebook reviews in GoHighLevel. Let's get started by ensuring your GoHighLevel system is all set up to receive and manage these reviews efficiently. First, you'll want to log into your GoHighLevel account. Once you're in, navigate to your sub-account, as this is where you'll do most of the configuration. Head to the Settings area, and from there, select Integrations. This is where you'll connect your Google Business profile and Facebook page. By connecting these, you ensure that any new reviews left on these platforms will sync automatically into your reputation management system. Now that the groundwork is laid for review syncing, let's move on to the Reviews AI settings, where you'll create and manage your AI review responders. In GoHighLevel, this means going to Reputation, and then into the Settings, followed by selecting Reviews AI. Here, you're able to customize the AI's behavior and responses. To get started, you'll click on Create Agent. This action gives you the option to either build an AI review agent from scratch, or use a starter template provided by GoHighLevel. Here you can customize various aspects like the tone and personality of the agent, how it handles reviews, the language it uses, and its sentiment behavior. Once the agent is set up, you need to configure its personality. A good example to consider is setting the tone to be friendly, yet professional. Also, you'll establish an AI prompt, something like, "You are a customer support manager for our business. Reply warmly and professionally to all reviews." For positive reviews, instruct the AI to thank customers, mention the specific service, and invite them to return. For negative reviews, guide your AI to apologize politely, acknowledge the issue, and encourage the customer to resolve the issue offline, all while ensuring it doesn't engage in arguments. Remember to keep responses concise, aiming for under 80 words. This prompt essentially guides how your AI will respond to reviews. Next, you'll set the response mode. GoHighLevel offers three: Off for manual replies, Suggestive for AI-drafted replies that require approval, and Auto mode for automatic hands-off replies. Opting for Auto mode allows the AI to post responses without needing to manually approve each reply. You can also configure sentiment rules to tailor responses based on review sentiments, creating different AI behaviors for 5-star, neutral, and negative reviews. For instance, setting your AI to express friendly gratitude for 5-star reviews, seek more feedback for 3-star reviews, and offer a calm recovery response for 1 or 2-star reviews. Finally, let's enable automatic responses. You'll turn on Auto Respond and select which kinds of reviews your AI should respond to, be it Google reviews, Facebook reviews, or both. You also have the option to choose specific locations or pages and even add a small response delay, typically 2 to 5 minutes, to make it feel more natural. To ensure everything is working smoothly, always perform a test by leaving a review on Google or a Facebook recommendation. Check to see that the reviews sync correctly and that the AI generates and posts the expected responses. Remember, GoHighLevel allows you to preview test these responses before enabling full live automation, giving you an extra layer of assurance that everything is in perfect working order.